It's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I found it on Instagram. I was scrolling late at night, you know, and you know those quick little videos on Instagram where it's like somebody makes something, all you see is their hand, and they're like, pew, 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 pew. Well, it was this delicious cookie recipe. They gave you like no instruction, but I decided to watch it like a million times. Like it doesn't even like, it's like one of those like food blogs that you don't even know who the person is. And I was like, I need to have this recipe. So I watched it a million times. After watching it a million times, I kind of think I know how to do it. So I decided that today we're going to try and see if we can recreate it. And the whole premise of this cookie is that it is a chocolate chip cookie with s'more center. So when you open it up, it's a s'more in the center. Hopefully I will not completely mess this up and it will be delicious and everything I ever wanted because I have a glass of milk ready to go. So let's go ahead and try. Okay, to make the cookie you will need graham crackers, Hershey's milk chocolate bars, some marshmallows, the big ones, and your favorite brand of cookie dough. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is lay down half of a graham cracker. I'm not going to make a whole lot of these because the cookie is going to be really big. So I'm going to start off with making about 4. Then on top of that, we're going to lay half a Hershey's bar. And then split a bit of marshmallow and lay that there. Kind of works better if you put the inside of the marshmallow down on the chocolate. Okay, and our last step is to get about a good chunk of cookie dough. And you just want to almost flatten that out. And then lay that right on top of it. And now I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. You want to check on them about every 5 to make sure everything's melting and incorporating nicely. Oh my god, guys. I cannot wait to taste this. Like, we're going to just dive into this taste test because, oh, you guys can see that right there, that marshmallowness. Oh yeah. Oh. See that, guys? It's like, oh, I need a plate. This is cookie infused. Yeah, piece where chocolate and marshmallow have met. This has to be my favorite cookie. This is perfect for like when you're just in the mood for like nothing but deliciousness. A little dunking action. Now it works. Now it works. Okay guys, this recipe was a total success. Absolutely delicious. I mean, who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies and s'more bring together? And the best part about these cookies is that they are like humongous. You could literally just give one of these to someone as a gift or like as a really nice dessert for a party or something. Like they are literally the size of my head. They are so delicious. And they're so cute because they have that like that breakage of where the s'more melted. Complete success, and I'm so happy I made these and I cannot wait to eat them all. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe down below, hit that thumbs up button, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please.